frame together and just check it looks the way you want it to. Choose one of the corners to start in. You're going to tie a double knot around 2 of the sticks that are overlapping. Take away your other 2 sticks just for now. I'm using my string in an X shape as I wind around and around the 2 sticks, and this will help them stay in position. Tie it off as best you can with a couple of knots. Place your next stick down and grab your string. Now I'm going to tie these 2 together with another double knot. Wrap that string tightly around the 2 sticks. Finish it off with another double knot. And now we're onto the last stick. So put it in place. Tie a double knot. And to make things easier for myself, I'm going to do a double knot up here as well. This will help me keep my frame in shape while I'm wrapping the string around. Make sure that wrapping is really tight. Tie a double knot on the top of the frame, about 2 centimeters in. Now we're going to create lines of string to hold your treasures in the frame. Wind around the bottom stick and then stretch that string diagonally, wrap back down again and keep going. So all of the top strings will be going straight down and the ones behind will be at a diagonal. So it's like a zigzag. To tie it off, I'm going to tie a couple of knots onto this first string down the bottom. Do the same thing, but this time going across ways. Here is the zigzag pattern. If you want it to look more like a perfect grid without the zigzag, you could tie each of these strings on one at a time, so each end you tie onto the stick. Now I'm going outside to my garden to have a look for interesting pieces of nature on the ground. I'm going to collect a few different things. Whatever you collect, you can weave it over and under the string that you've put on your frame. I love this bit of dried plant here because it's really curvy. I found a good place outside to hang my work. And you can always add more treasures as you find them. This is the kind of artwork you can keep adding to.